ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ta ka Frank Motors. Ka Tata Safari ka SUV ka bapaw tam jong ka India minta kalami ha ka jinglong batmai ringkat bat khatsan teligi features baningkong e ha ka segment. La play ye ki booking but ya ki jing tip bakambnia one shaka Frank Motors lat ko ringi lani phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar not hinyo khanda hinyo lai.
Kakanhon Menteri jong ka Sorkar jela ha ka Sangma kala Mynjur ya ka Captain Williamson Sangma State University Amendment Bill Ordinance ka ba plelat ban penyari ya jing puli hapo kane ka university. Kane ka jing penbait thamai ka long ban penrung ya ki kendon jong ka University Grants Commission ki bayadai bat ka State University. Ya ka Captain Williamson Sangma State University ka skol ba banengkong jong ka jela Meghalaya. La plepaj ba ha ka khat sau tarik u kalalangkot arjar arpulai dau menteri rangba u Conrad Sangma.
As you are aware that we have expanded the scope of the Captain Williamson Sangma State Technical University and made it into a full-fledged state university now. But while we did the amendments to that, there were certain other concerns that were raised, and after discussion with the Honorable Governor and others and the Education Department, the amendment was being done to incorporate certain UGC norms that are there, and hence that amendment was cleared in terms of an ordinance today to put in the UGC norms which will be applicable in the Captain Williamson Sangma State University Act. So we have included those particular norms. There are many of them in detail, which I don't think I'll be able to go through. But just to give you a basic idea, for example, the Board of Governors, the structure of the Board of Governors as prescribed by the UGC, so that amendment will have to be incorporated. Then Board of Management as per prescribed by the UGC norms, that will be incorporated in this. Then other small changes that are there which are required as per the UGC rules and regulations, those small changes, other changes will also be incorporated, but the major one is the Board of Governors and the Board of Management. As I said, our intention is to start from the next academic year, and that's why we've been pushing this very fast, because we want the CUET issue to be resolved also. And therefore, the first, of course, will be the main campus in itself, which is in, next to Damalagiri, just below Tura, on the way to Barabada. And so that is the main campus, of course, and we want to ensure that the manpower and everything is there in place in time, so that we're able to start in the next academic year, at least in terms of starting the administrative work that is there. And apart from that, we have also unofficially discussed the expansion of the campus to different parts of the state, and definitely that is on our agenda. But those details are not there with me right now, but we will be taking up the expansion and extension of the campuses in different parts of the state.